In this video, I am going to show you how you can select vectors within the software. The first thing we need to make sure is that we are in the selection mode. So how do we do that? Well, if we go all the way to the top left of the software and we left mouse click on this icon here, we can drag out to this one and let go where it says select, and now we are in selection mode. So let's select our first vector. So if I left mouse click onto a vector, you'll notice that I now have a dashed line representing that I have now selected that vector. Now if I hold down Shift on the keyboard and I select another vector, they're both selected. So you can see we've got a dashed line for our zigzag vector in the middle here, indicating that it is selected along with my circle. Now if I click in the space around the vector, so the empty space here, you'll notice that we are no longer selecting that vector. Now another way in which we can select our vectors is to left mouse click and drag out a selection box. You'll notice that when I hold down left mouse click and drag this out, you get a dashed box to indicate where your selection box is. So you can see I can move that to the top left, down to the bottom right, up to the top right, and down to the bottom left. So you can move that to wherever you desire on the sheet here. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag a selection box from the bottom right towards the top left. So let's have a look at that. So let's left mouse click and drag that out. And now I want you to pay attention to where the selection box is. You'll notice that the vectors aren't fully inside of my box. They are only half inside of my box. So let's see what happens. You'll notice then when I let go that we now have all the vectors selected. That's because when you go from the bottom right and you drag, anything that is touching that box will be selected. Now, if I do the same thing from the top left and I go ahead and drag over this area here, pay attention to the fact that the circle and the letter T are within inside this box. And when I let go, you'll notice that only the circle and the T were selected because this vector was actually poking outside of the box. So it was not selected. So let me just show you that again. You'll notice that when I drag out my selection box, you'll see that the T and the circle are fully within inside that box. But you can see my zigzag vector is outside of the box at the bottom there and at the top. So that means it does not get selected. So you can see how from the bottom right, anything the box touches, the selection box touches, will be selected. And if you go from the top left down towards the bottom right, only the vectors that are within that selection box will be selected. And that is how you select vectors within the software.